Hey WooCommerce wizards, ever dreamed of offering super flexible pickup options for your customers? Want to make it easy for them to grab their goodies exactly where and when they want? Then get ready to level up your shipping game with WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus. My name is Jeff and this is Sleekr Digital. This plugin isn't just about simple local pickup, it's about giving your customers choices. It's like giving them a magic portal to get their hands on their purchases faster and easier than ever before. So, what's the big secret? With Local Pickup Plus, you can offer multiple pickup locations. Think store branches, pop-up shops, or even partner businesses. Let customers schedule their pickup times. Because who wants to wait around all day? Give customers options of picking up per order or per item. Show pickup locations based on customer proximity. In this course, we'll unlock all the plugin secrets. You'll learn how to add locations, set business hours, manage appointments, and even handle taxes like a pro. It's all about convenience, flexibility, and giving your customers the power to choose. By the end of this, you'll be a local pickup guru, ready to transform your shipping options and boost customer satisfaction. So, let's jump in.